Welcome back to another video, and the Galaxy F or the Galaxy Flex, however you want to call it, is getting a ton of attention. During CES, Samsung actually hosted a private gathering for its top executives and also investors to check out the latest foldable smartphone, and they were all really impressed. Everyone said that it was like a hybrid between your everyday smartphone and your tablet. Now, if you didn't know, Samsung actually is investing a lot less money in their tablet line since they want to put more effort and more money into their foldable smartphone line. Apple is going a different direction. They're pouring a lot of money into the latest iPads and iPad minis and also the Apple Pencil, so you kind of get what's going on. Now, Samsung is really interested in this. We all know that's getting a 7.3-inch screen. It has been confirmed. The prototype is out. Samsung is also rumored to be manufacturing the smartphone right now. But right now, we just got a bunch of more leaks about the specs. It's getting the Snapdragon 855 if you live in the US. You're getting the Exynos 9820 if you live outside the US. Now, it's getting a 12 gigabytes of RAM. You could get half a terabyte or a full terabyte of storage, two different options. You also get a Screen 1, which has a 4.58-inch display, and when you unfold the smartphone, you get this gorgeous 7.3-inch Infinity Flex display, which is absolutely amazing. Now, it's going to be having two batteries, which adds up to 4,400 milliamps, which is absolutely huge. No smartphone has ever had a battery size this big until right now. It's also getting a triple lens rear camera on the very back. Now, you get two colors, black or silver, and the release date is somewhat confirmed for a Q2 2019 launch. Now, the price is going to be around $1,500 to $2,500 with two different variants. One is going to be a half a terabyte version, the other will be a full terabyte version. Now, everyone is saying it's really specialized for multitasking. It's going to be expensive. Samsung is only making 1 million units this year. It's more of a test unit than anything else. And when Generation 2 rolls around, that is when Samsung will definitely be rolling these smartphones out like your average regular smartphone. So it's really awesome because during CES, Samsung actually put a lot of emphasis to it. We don't get to see it, but we kind of get the idea. It's coming closer every single day. Anyway, thanks for watching. Comments below. How do you feel about the specs? Would you get the smartphone? And thanks for watching.